Are you looking for the best night vision camera? In this video we will look at some of the best night vision camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Foscam G4. Foscam G4 is a great night vision security camera system that provides constant surveillance and has robust infrared lights for night capturing that reaches up to 66 feet. This camera is weatherproof to IP66 standards, which is why you can mount it outdoors too. Foscam G4 provides top quality footage and a great image sensor. Due to a wide 112-degree angle, you will be able to see more detail and make sure your possessions are safe. Foscam G4 operates with Alexa, so you can watch your live video with a simple voice command. Number 2. Reolink Go. Reolink Go is a wire-free mobile HD surveillance camera which works on 4G, LTE and 3G networks. It doesn't have any cords, so you won't have any inconvenience with wires. You can easily use it in places with limited or no Wi-Fi connection and without an electrical power source. Due to enhanced Starlight 2-megapixel technology, the Starlight CMOS image sensor can capture even the smallest details in low light, up to 10 meters, and doesn't need any additional lighting. Since this night vision surveillance camera is wireless, it's very easy to install. It's also portable and weatherproof. You can place it in a room, on the street, in a construction area, in camping, etc. Number 3. Security Camera. Security Camera is a great security camera with night vision that provides 1080p HD resolution, f/2.0 aperture and 112-degree wide-angle lens. Due to this camera offers full coverage in HD. Double tap and you will be able to zoom, up to 4x, and focus on the smallest details. In low light conditions, the camera automatically switches on 8 individual 940nm infrared LEDs. Due to this, the quality of the image in the dark will be better. When you're not at home, you won't need to worry about your house or pets as you will be able to watch the video via the eHome app. Besides, you can also set time periods for activity notifications, which you will see in the app. Number 4. Hiseeu WNKIT-4HB612. Hiseeu WNKIT-4HB612 is a good wireless night vision camera that consists of 4 cameras. It's a modern IP camera that has Wi-Fi technology. It's very easy to connect all cameras. Besides, they are waterproof and dustproof and made of metal. These cameras have an IP66 protection standard and can be used in all weather conditions. Due to LEDs that this camera system has for night shooting, you will be able to see the object in full darkness at a distance of up to 20 m. This camera system is universal and can be installed both outdoors and indoors, for example, in a restaurant, hotel, office, or private house. Number 5. Zumimall. Zumimall is the best night vision camera for outdoor security that has Wi-Fi connectivity and is battery powered. This battery lasts for 3 to 6 months without the necessity to recharge it. This camera has 4 infrared lights for IR detection, which is why it guarantees a sharp image at night. The camera also lets you adjust the sensitivity at darkness and offers a 55 feet vision range. When this camera detects suspicious activity, it activates a high-sensitivity motion sensor. Then it records a video and saves it to a micro SD card, up to 128 gigabytes. This camera will protect your home and keep it safe in any weather conditions.